the IFTA for Best Children's Youth goes to On the Block, Tory Island, Hilary O'Donovan.
Oh my goodness, okay. Thank you very much to everybody, and especially to the filmmakers of Tory Island, of Drummahan, Adamstown, Buckingham Street and Fatima Mansions. And also I want to thank the ARC and everybody in MacChonaile, and a special mention to Katie Lincoln and to our executive producer and commissioning editor, Sheila De Courcy. Thank you.